In this video I'm going to show you how to get a free website hosting and domain completely free.
So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing and like the video and comment, and if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you.
Okay, so guys, before I begin, let me tell you, okay, so there are a lot of websites where they can give you free domain and hosting, but the problem with that is, let me bring my face over here. So the problem with that is nothing is free. Okay, so once you get it for free, and then later they would charge you more. And if you want, you could go on YouTube and search as well. I've seen a lot of videos, they don't offer you something for free, there's always in return. So look at my strategy. Let's say you don't have money right now, so all you have to do is go on Blogger, okay, or go on WordPress.com, create a ID over there, okay, and host your website over here. So this is my blog. So all you have to do is just log in, and then this is your website. So currently if you look on the top over here, so it's hosted on their website. For sure it's hosted on their website, but I have my domain name. Even with WordPress.com, you could just log in and get started. It's the same thing. You would have WordPress.com in the end. So let's say you create in WordPress.com, you would have WordPress.com in the end, okay. And then later what you could do is start posting. So if I go back, I can show you another blog. So this is another blog which I had over here, Yavar Power. So this is so I'm a personal trainer as well. So I started posting in 2016. I posted a lot. 2017 I posted a lot of videos and everything. Once I started making a little more money by affiliates or by Google ads, then I made my own domain. So this is a perfect way to do it, rather than getting everything for free. Nothing is for free right now. So my suggestion would be go on blogger.com or WordPress.com, create your free website. They give you free domain and everything, but they have this thing in the end, their website name at the end. So that's all right, guys. Just start blogging, learn how to blog, learn how to start posting things, learn all these small habits, and then you can, once you have the money, once you save up the money, then you can buy a hosting and a domain. And I would suggest Bluehost, okay. So if you go over here, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. And also guys, I've created a free training. If you go on yavarkhan.com, even the link is down below, click on free training. So once you have the money, you can learn how to build a WordPress website for free. Nothing, it's very easy, simple, straight to the point. And I tell you the truth, okay, I don't say that, you do this, you do that, get money. It's hard work, but then this is how I create the best, how to create a best WordPress website, the best themes to use, the best plugins to use. Everything is in this course, the link is down below. And this is how you get a free domain and hosting. So nothing is free, but then there are other ways you could do it. Remove that thing from your mind. Nothing is for free. You need to work hard for it. And that's it. I hope you really like the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
So the free bonus I told you in the beginning, so I have created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. So if you're new here and if you are struggling to create a website, to decide the best themes, the best plugins, the best web hosting and the best settings for SEO, and how to rank on Google and how to get traffic, then this is the course for you. So you can just learn techniques to get free traffic to your website. The link is down below, and thanks for watching.